Cacao lover, so bakit babalutin ng plastic 6x12 during battery size? So this one, W10 Trinitario clone. No, bakit binalot natin? And how about this one, bakit walang balot? Ito naman, bakit walang balot? Na-isprehan to, kaya hindi binalot. Ito, hindi binalot, na-isprehan. So, yung iba, spray. Yung iba, balot. So, yung battery size. Why? So, see this one. Without spraying and without plastic wrapping. We are going to check this one. So, check natin guys ha. So, check natin. I-play. So, check. Infestation, no? Pad borer infestation or pad borer attack. Ito yung resulta, no? This is the result guys ha. See? The beans are not good. Check. So, bulok siya, no? Infestation. So, ito yung daan ng mga pad borer. So, during battery size, pinasok dito in egg to larva, then magsha-shopping dito, no? Dito sa loob. Paglabas niya, ito na yung resulta ng beans natin. So, discoloration of cacao, no? Color. Ito siya, oh. So, hindi pantay-pantay ang kanyang color, discoloration. Check this one, di ba? So, akala mo hinog, so pag check mo, bulok pala siya. By the way, magagamit mo pa naman, madadry mo pa, pero hindi siya quality. No, not good for fermentation, guys, ha? This is not good for fermentation. So, infestation. So, we have to spray. Spray something here, chemical, or otherwise, wrap in plastic. 6x12, open both side. So, this is open. No seal, ha? No seal. 6x12. So, ang pad borer hindi na makapag-atake dyan. No more pad borer attack. No more infestation. Alright? Good.